heart of Bengaluru, a sea of saffron, white, and green floods the streets. Today, the Karnataka Congress government, led by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, marches in a powerful Tiranga Yatra from KR Circle to Minsk Square, standing shoulder to shoulder with our brave Indian armed forces. In response to the Pahalgam attack, as our soldiers wage Operation Sindoor against Pakistan, this rally echoes a resounding message: India stands united. Home Minister G. Parameshwara's words ring true. We are with you, Indian Army. Your actions are our pride. Your resolve is our strength. This is more than a march, it's a symbol of solidarity, a salute to courage, and a pledge of unwavering support for those who defend our nation.
See, Jai Hind Tiranga Yatra is being organized by Karnataka, and we have invited all sections of the society. The students, the government employees, the organizations, institutions, whichever the organizations they belong. It is a national pride. We want to salute all our armed forces, and we want to be in solidarity with this country. Country's integrity is very much important. So we have decided, and we are taking a very big march today. And I am very happy that within a short span of time, all sections of the people, including the retired armed forces, the students, and every section, and we have requested all political parties also, they have been participating in it. Let us join together, let us show strength together, and hope our country's pride and our national flag, which has been given all of by our freedom fighters, is we are trying to protect the honor of this country.
Sir, yesterday you have seen there is escalation by Pakistan. Firing has started, sir. So what is the
Once
message?
maybe India is stronger, we will face under the leadership of Indira Gandhi manage the situation. The same thing will arise and India will win.